How to log in to HSBC Credit Card account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up any web browser. On the search bar, search for HSBC login. Then tap on the very first option, that is hsbc.co.uk. That's going to bring you directly to the login portal. Here you will have to enter your username. In case you have forgotten your username, you have the option to retrieve it using the link that is forgotten your username. Here you will have to choose an identification method. You can use sort code and account number, credit card number, invest direct number or investment account number. If you select your credit card number, you will have to enter your credit card number along with your date of birth. Tap on the continue option and follow the on-screen prompts in order to retrieve your username. Once you enter your username, tap on the continue option. On the next page, you will have to enter your password. Then tap on the option of log on. Once you have been logged into your account, head over to the credit card section. From there, you will be able to access your credit card dashboard. You can manage your account, check your transactions, and make your payments from there. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.